New song every week? Then subscribe now.
Hello, kids! Welcome to Mr. Bell's Learning Train. Start your learning journey by just watching my train. When I press this button, the objects will pop out of the carriage, like this. Are you ready for the fun journey? So let's learn the colors. This is Mr. Red. R-E-D. Red. Apple is red. Meet Mr. Yellow. Y-E-L-L-O-W. Yellow. Banana is yellow. Now Mr. Green. G-R-E-E-N. Green. Leaf is green. Meet Miss Pink. P-I-N-K. Pink. Candy is pink. This is Mr. White. W-H-I-T-E. White. Milk is white. Now meet Mr. Black. B-L-A-C-K. Black. Crow is black. Now it's turn for Mr. Orange. O-R-A-N-G-E. Orange. Sun is orange. Hi, Mr. Blue. B-L-U-E. Blue. Ink is blue. And lastly, now the turn is Mr. Purple's. P-U-R-P-L-E. Purple. Are you ready to learn more? Then watch out my next train and enjoy learning. Say hi to Strawberry. It's red in color.